Okay, so today we're going to be learning about additive and multiplicative relationships. So, an additive relationship is what you sounds like is when it's adding or sometimes subtracting a number. So for every y, a number is added to x. So words that sound like addition and subtraction is in addition to, more than, added, less than, subtracted. So a multiplicative is for every y, a number is multiplied to x. Sounds like words that sound like the rate or comparison is twice as many, double, triple, divided by, multiplied by, times. So look at the relationship as y increases, what happens to the x? So when x is 1, y is 3. When x is 2, y is 4, and so on. So I can see that every time they're adding 2, and I can go make sure this is true. So 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 2 is 4, 3 plus 2 is 5, 4 plus 2 is 6. So the relationship is additive. And the rule will be, we can just write the equations, y is equal to x plus 2. Okay, this one says when x is 1, y is 5, when x is 2, y is 10, 3, 15, 4, 20. So I'm assuming that they're multiplying by 5 every time. Because 1 times 5 is 5, 2 times 5 is 10, 3 times 5 is 15, 4 times 5 is 20. So this is a multiplicative relationship. So I can say y is equal to 5x, which is the same thing as 5 times x. Okay, so now you try this one, and let me move it so you can see. Otis asked a group of students to choose their favorite type of music from the choice of classical, hip-hop, and country. The results of the survey are shown in the graph. Based on the graph, how many students in a class of 180 would be expected to choose hip-hop or classic as their favorite type of music? Okay, so this is just a little bit off the wall one. So classic right here is 20. Hip-hop is 40. So you would add this together to be 60. That's not right. So a group of students. So 60 students out of, so that's 30. So 60 out of 90 chose hip hop or classic when there's a total of 180 students. So they've asked about half of them. So you would say 120 did it, because 90 times 2 is 180. So 60 times 2 is 120. Okay. And which statement describes the relationship between A and B in these two equations? So this one, 2 is being multiplied, and this one, 2 is being added. So in 2b, the value of 2 is less than the value of b. No, less than means to subtract. That's not right. In 2b, and in a is equal to b plus 2, the value of 2 is less than the b. All right, that's not true for both of those. So C says the same thing, it says twice the value. All right, in 2b, the value is twice the value of b. That's good. And a is equal to b plus 2 is the value is 2 more than the value of b. Good. Good, that's correct. All right. Thank you, guys.